Okay, our current project, 1980 something Subaru wagon. I think it's an 86. The customer just wanted to swap out the 1.8 liter to a different motor. We can get to that later. And I'm going to have to do some modifications to convert the new motor to this transmission. It takes a re-drilled flywheel, original clutch. I have to add a distributor, that's a hint, and it's going to run on a Weber carburetor and have I believe it'll be just a 3-wire for electronics. And yeah, this one's sitting on a custom made lift kit on some, I think they're 27-inch tires, 235/75 15s on re-drilled Toyota rims. So, if you guys didn't know, you can look those up. There's actually a old forum called the Ultimate Subaru Forum. You can find information there, or the Facebook group. I'll have to put a link in the description for you. But yeah, Subaru wagon, Northwest Washington off-road. This one hasn't been off-road in a year or two, I think. But once I get this swap done for him, we're also going to redo the front bumper and brush guard. He wants something different than just that square tube. That was a homebrew thing, so I think we're going to do a plate bumper with skids on the bottom. Something a little nicer than what he's got. But this is not on jack stands. This is just its regular ride height. So I've got some aftermarket parts for his new motor. That should be a little bit of fun. Let's see if we can get it in here. Wonder what that could be. That'll be fun. And then I've got a new radiator for him as well. And we've got new cap and rotor, plug wires. We'll get that in there. Yeah, this one's got a dual transmission. It's got a front wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and a low 4-wheel drive. And yeah, these things do actually get up and climb. I used to have one, not lifted, but with the dual range, and it went a lot of places. So I gotta pick and choose, and I'll keep working on this as much as I can. You know, I'm still limited on how much I can do with my back. So my lower discs are disappearing quickly. Worse every day, but we'll go see a doctor tomorrow about that. See what he says. But yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll have some more intermediate videos coming out. You've already seen the carburetor video for the Weber where I tore that apart. And this one will be just a couple of videos of modifications, some adaptive progress. I'll show what's required to get to this motor, along with the flywheel. There's some other stuff you have to do, so it'll be interesting. Stay tuned.